Hey guys, it's John Ruber Custom Rods and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a product review on this ALICHINO Fly and Ice Jig box, if you will. So this ALICHINO medium-sized Fly and Ice Jig box has two sides to it that you can open. They each have a hinge right here on this side that allows them to open. And as you can see, again, this is the medium size, and as you can see, there is plenty of room in here for my ice jigs that I use when I'm ice fishing. And you can see I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20, 21 ice jigs in here now. Plenty of room for more on this side. And of course, I can always add more jigs on this side if that's what I want to do. I think this is a quality case. It has a good seal on the inside, and it holds what I need it to hold. And I hope this helps. Until next time, guys, take care. Bye.